Hello all, I'm Quita with the Quitassential Life. Welcome back. Wanted to show you something real quick. You might like it, you might not. It might be a little controversial, but I had Zoom meetings. Yesterday I had to tape a presentation in advance for next week. So face and hair had to be done. And I have back-to-back Zoom meetings or digital Teams, etc. meetings today. So I'm up early. You know how I feel about my coffee. Let me get a sip in. Because I did not wash the makeup off my face from last night. Brushed my teeth, so I got a little circle right here. But I just wrapped up my hair and saved most of my makeup to save time. So let you see what I did. I'll get the products at the end, but I basically put 2 of the flexi rods in the front. I made bantu knots, 2 of them out of the back. And yesterday I videotaped how I quickly put this hair on. Okay. I didn't want to have to do whole full face and hair, etc. back to back. Okay. All I did was take a little spoolie and a little mousse to work with the hairline before I tied it down. All this is just normal. No big deal. Let's see what we're working with our hairline. Okay. Even just using the fingers. I am not taping any presentations today, so hair can be okay. It needed to be fabulous yesterday. Okay, so this is an old Amazon unit. It is at least a year old. So all I need to do is freshen up some of the color. Get my Minted Cosmetics stick. Mirror. I need to replenish this just a bit. Actually, it held up pretty well. I mostly sleep on my back, so there isn't really that much of an issue. Excuse me. A little bit of that coffee went the wrong way. Okay. We're just going to blend this in on top of what we got. Quickly. So I can deal with these 2 meetings in the morning. Well, it's early morning right now, y'all. Little bit. Okay. Okay, we see how that's working, doing. Okay, I'm trying to zoom in on my face a little bit more. Okay. So, just because you need a little bit of depth when you're only 2D, I'm gonna just add a little bit more. You know, my little face pooch right here. Okay. Enough of that. Here we go. Just a quick refresh so I can get this stuff done without having to start all over. And as soon as that second meeting is over, I'll be jumping in the shower. All this is coming off. Just get my contour over our nose together. Your fingers and your hands can be your best friend when it comes to makeup. Okay, this is the light one. Juvia. Start to blend it with my fingers. Just for distribution. And this is a salvage operation, okay? This is so I can get through my 2 back-to-back Zooms early this morning. And then jump back in the shower, put on my jammies for the rest of the day. Sorry, y'all, if I'm blocking. Not trying to do that. Just trying to blend. Okay. This is just a brush, no product on it. To continue that blend a little bit. Come over here, get out the way. Okay. For this, let that sit there for a hot minute. Juvia Warrior 2. I'm just freshening up what I already got here from yesterday. Okay. These pigments are wonderful. Y'all know about Juvia, so I'm obsessed with it. I think I have almost every palette they've made. At least all their initial ones. I got more to add to the collection. Now taking the red up a little. These are flat colors, no sparkle to them. Good for business. Now the gray down here. This pink Dora right in the front. And the orange for the first part of the lid. And I had the black. We're just freshening up these pigments, y'all, so I can get through these 2 meetings. Now I need to hit that black in this palette and darken that up. Pat it on, blend it with the others. Same thing for the other eye. Take it up. I guess you could say I'm packing the color in, but I'm using a light hand here to do it. Okay? And you see I need to blend close my eyes so you can see. But before I even get there, we're going to hit these brows. I just need to get the powder because the stick is not doing it. I'm not convinced on these fiber infused whatever brow extension Maybelline. You can see the fibers in the tip of it. So I'm just going to take this reddish brown in the palette and work with the front of the brows. That's how I set my brows anyway, with powder or eyeshadow. You see that? Okay, now you see how that's not even. Here and here. We're going to fix that. Not a problem. So I'm taking a little bit of this highlighter from Juvia. I am struggling trying to show y'all this. Okay. And we are going to mark that up and fix the top so it is also even. Okay. You see where the highlight is. I just gotta blend that out now. And that becomes part of the underbrow highlight. Since this has no product in it, we're going to use that to blend here as well. Mute those lines of the dark coming into the light. Okay. Notice I haven't had to do nothing to these lashes. They were put on good last night. Yesterday, they stayed all night. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. It's not good to be sweating so much when you're trying to fix your face. These lights are hot, y'all. They are hot. Okay. Let's do it again. We are still in the Warrior 2 palette. The orange that I put on the inside is what I'm putting right here in line. Whew, hair, everything. Be hot. Okay. Setting, priming, and setting powder to deal with some of this sweat we got going on, unfortunately. Okay. Whew, okay. Woosah. Beauty setting powder around. And I'm going to use this so I won't have to go into the other room where my real vanity is and get some blush. I'm using the red and orange in the Zulu palette. We just gonna work with that. Okay. You can do everything with this palette. You can contour, highlight, doesn't even matter what your skin tone is. You can do your eyes. You can set. You can do everything you need to do. Okay? Okay, back. I have done my hair, set my face, put a little highlighter on. Okay, so now I will be ready for my Zoom calls or my video conference calls that I have back to back early this morning. And then I can jump in the shower and take all this stuff off and put on my clean PJs and finish my work from home day. So like I said, some people might not want to sleep in their makeup, and I just wasn't trying to start from scratch. This didn't take that long, and I could be ready based on my schedule. So might be something you want to try. These are the two products I used on my hair last night to put the two in the front flexi rods, and I did a 2-strand twist and then 2 bantu knots in the back. This is the mousse I used around my edges before I tied them down. And this is an old staple for when I was a little girl. So it still works. It works well to me on human hair. It leaves a little sheen, but it moisturizes and it stays for a good little bit to keep your unit soft. Like I said, this is a regular old Amazon unit that's more than a year old. And she's still going strong, not shedding. So that's all good stuff. I will put my lipstick on and drop some stills in so you can see how the look ended up. So this is the final look. I just finished my 2 meetings, and I'm going to take my official break now and jump in the shower and get all this stuff off. So, how do you like the look? Quick and easy, not a problem, and I got it done, and now I can take it all off. Thanks for joining me on the Quitassential Life, and I appreciate your time. It is very important to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, share down below. I'll put the products in the description box. And stay tuned, there are more videos to come. Bye.